Everybody's chasing the chip rebound today. Fine, let them. Rate cuts priced in. Nvidia up 3% on nothing. Same trade the street ran last month, running it again. Tape's telling me something different. Pentagon's writing checks for unmanned aircraft. Drones are the new artillery shell. KTOS makes the target drones the Air Force shoots at. Makes the unmanned fighters designed to fly into fire and not come back. Makes the ramjet for the next hypersonic. 3 companies the Pentagon lets near a production line. KTOS is one. Backlog's growing, margins turned, stock broke out of an 18-month base last week while everyone was staring at semis. Street still models this name like it's 1999. Manhattan's pretty tonight. Bought KTOS at the open, KTOS starter position. I'll double it if it holds the breakout through Friday. Thesis exits if the backlog prints the wrong way next quarter, not today. Reminds me of '83. Reagan pushed Star Wars and nobody wanted to own Grumman. Guys who did bought their boats with it. That's the trade I made this morning. Follow all my plays on X at CAIsh Rockwell Jr. See you tomorrow.